So, when is a good time to use the restroom? The responsible thing to do is to go to the restroom before school begins, during lunchtime, or during passing time. Now, if you do need to use the restroom, first step is ask for permission. Use the restroom hand signal and wait for the teacher's response. Now, remember, you may not always be given permission to use the restroom. We do not want you to lose out on important information provided during the lesson. But if we do give you permission, please walk safely to the restroom. Now, step 3, take the restroom pass and sign out before leaving. Please be back in 4 minutes. Now, your education is important, so that's why we ask that no restroom for the first and last 10 minutes of class. And please do not sign out during lecture. Now, step 4, return to class quietly. Make sure not to forget your pass, wash your hands, and get back to classroom and get back to learning. Now, being responsible and respectful of our learning environment builds a trusting relationship